Do you want to take your projects to the next level? I've got just the answer. My name is Matt Haas. This is Awesome Wood Things. You've got to get one of these.
This is the Atomstack P7 portable laser engraving machine. It carves about 200 millimeters square surface, which is about 8 inches. Here are some other specs. Assembly couldn't be easier. The laser attaches to the gantry with one screw bolt. This whole thing goes on this big gantry bar. There's a belt underneath, 2 screws on either side, and then connect the wires. Boom, you're done. Less than 20 minutes. Super easy. The Atomstack P7 uses a fixed focus laser, and it's super easy to get the right height. You use this spacing card they give you, one turn of the knob, lower it, tighten it, remove the card, boom, you have the exact spacing you need. 2 things that need to exist on any type of computer-controlled machine like this is a completely flat surface, and the laser head height must be consistent across the entire engraving area. I was blown away at how dead flat this was right out of the box, but I took the extra optional step of attaching it to a very flat board so I can be assured of consistent results every time I use it. Here's an engraving of a flying monkey, because why not? And multi-layered dragon art that's cut out. Here's the machine in motion. I'm happy about this protective glass where you can look at the laser and it will protect your eyes to some extent. I did buy optional third-party glasses to wear in addition to the safety glass that's already on the unit. Again, optional. I'll have a link to everything I've used in the description. You can start to see how this is coming together. The dragon looks just awesome. And then here's the background castle image, and I used an X-Acto knife to punch out a few of the pieces. Now, painting was completely simple because I just wanted flat colors, and I wanted watered down colors so you could still see the wood. The laser machine did all of the details, so flat colors work fine. I wanted sort of a dark motif to make the red dragon really pop, but I did add some color to the clouds and a different color for the castle because I wanted gray castle bricks. You can see through the dragon's wings, so my solution was to take a piece of construction paper and carve that out and make it fit underneath the wood so you can't see through those openings in the wings. Yeah, that's looking nice. All right. If you are impressed with the Atomstack, drop a like on this video. That will help get it seen by more people. I cut the blue out for the background, and here's a dry fit where we'll see how this is starting to look. Get the clouds in place, put that layer on. That looks like the dragon. That's just a place for the dragon to be supported, since that layer is higher than the background. The blue layer is higher than the base. And then the dragon sits on that. I don't have the orange permanently attached yet underneath the wing. I'll do that in the next step. But you'll get an idea of what that looks like. Oh, it's looking so good already. Super 77 spray adhesive goes on the back of the dragon. This is so the orange construction paper will bond to it. So just give that a few sprays. Little goes a long way. Same thing with this, since the blue construction paper goes behind that. That gets some spray adhesive as well. And here's the final assembly. So the blue background and the orange on the wings, on the chest, and the eyes and the nose. Nice. Wood glue is used, tight bond 2. Again, links for everything is in the description. Here's the dark blue layer, and then the dragon on top after a little bit of glue. Oh man, I am just loving this project. I can't believe this machine can do such amazing detail. Oh, I just love it. Here's a close-up of the very detailed dragon, and don't you think the Atomstack P7 looks a lot like Darth Vader's TIE Fighter? I certainly do. Atomstack sent me this unit for free, but I could say whatever I want. I totally like this portable laser. It does everything I need. It's my first laser. I'm blown away at what it can do. Truly amazing. If you want it, affiliate links are in the description. Thanks, Internet.